how you can generate same images with Meta AI using images. So first thing first, let's open the Meta AI app, and once you open it, you can see there is three lines at the top left corner of this section on the screen. So just tap on that three lines button, and once you tap on it, you can see there is chat option at the second. So you need to select the chat option, and you will be able to uh, access the Meta AI from here successfully. So now what you can do is you can see there is plus icon at the top bottom left corner of this section. So just tap on that plus icon, and you can see there is two more options available afterwards. First one is camera and another one is gallery. So just select the gallery, and you need to upload a image. And yeah, once you enter your prompt and send it, you will be able to generate your same images from Meta AI using images. So basically this is how, and this is the process to generate your same images with Meta AI using images. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.